Zarif, thank you for the introduction. It was very kind of you. Also, can you read Azazel?
Well, certainly, Miss Charlotte. Let's see. That brings us to devotion 27. After the unknown relative refused to marry Ruth, and after he pulled off his shoe and handed it to Boaz, Boaz had some things to say very publicly and very loudly. Ruth 4:9. And Boaz said unto the elders and to all the people, Ye are witnesses this day that I have bought all that was Elimelech's, and all that was Chilion's and Mahlon's of the hand of Naomi. Moreover, Ruth the Moabitess, the wife of Mahlon, have I purchased to be my wife, to raise up the name of the dead upon his inheritance, that the name of the dead be not cut off from among his brethren. And from the gate of his place ye are witnesses this day. Mr. Such a one was disgusted and embarrassed at the thought of marrying Ruth. Boaz was thrilled beyond measure at the opportunity to marry Ruth, and twice uttered the phrase, Ye are witnesses. Not only was he willing to marry Ruth, but he was also willing to let everyone know that everything he was doing was about her. This, men, is the sign of a very good husband. There would never be a day that Ruth questioned the feelings of Boaz for her. He was all hers, with no reservations. Husbands, wives, do let your spouse and the entire world know how you feel about your spouse. If there is ever a question in anyone's minds, then you are not doing your job.
A beautiful story. I hope someday to find a man like Boaz.
Well, let me tell you about the God that Boaz believed in. Have a blessed day, folks.